Emile New Seasons Z. Grand Dame is full sister to Valentina van Tijke. Emile New Seasons Z is closely related to a large number of 150-160 level performers. His Grand Dame, Jewel van Tijke, is a full sister to the Olympic horse Valentina van Tijke of Jos Lansing and the 150 level competing Mozart van Tijke. Valentina van Tijke has foaled the 160 level jumping horses Boomer van Tijke and Pleaser van Tijke. More Olympic genes are added by sire Emile van Ruytershof, who took part in Rio de Janeiro and has already produced Olympic offspring like Nika van der Bishop and Hielita B.